In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do competitor research in SEMrush. We're going to walk through a simple process that helps you line up your website against a competitor and see how you compare. This is great for spotting opportunities, understanding where your rival is strong, and focusing your own strategy more effectively. Start by opening your dashboard, the home base where you can access all your tools and projects. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the AI section. That's where SEMrush groups a set of tools that speed up research and insights. Click AI, then select Competitor Research. This is the workspace that compares two domains side by side. You'll see a field labeled for you. In that field, enter your domain, the one you want to evaluate. In the second field, type your competitor's domain, the site you want to benchmark against. Take a moment to make sure both addresses are correct and use the primary domain format so the system can pull the broadest view of data. When you're set, run the competitor analysis. SEMrush will compile an overview that highlights the performance differences between the two sites. If you're on a free trial, you may not have access to this specific feature. That limitation is normal, and it just means you can't run a live comparison right now. To give you a sense of what the tool shows, here's the type of data you would typically see once the report loads. You'll usually get a snapshot of estimated organic traffic for both domains, which tells you who's likely attracting more visitors through search. You'll also see top keywords, including ones that overlap between you and your competitor and ones that are unique to each site. Overlapping keywords reveal where you're already competing head-to-head, while unique keywords point to gaps you could pursue. You can expect to see trend lines that show whether traffic and rankings are growing or declining over time. This helps you figure out if your competitor is gaining momentum. There's often a look at top pages too, making it clear which content drives the most visibility. That's useful for prioritizing your own content roadmap. You may also find insights about backlink profiles, such as the number of referring domains. Strong backlink growth can explain why a competitor ranks well, and it can signal the types of partnerships or content that earn links in your space. Use these insights to confirm what's working, uncover missed opportunities, and plan your next moves with confidence. Even if you can't access the full tool on a free trial, understanding this output prepares you to hit the ground running when you do.